Hello friends, today's word is Craniofacial anomalies. Craniofacial anomalies. Craniofacial anomalies. Craniofacial anomalies are also called as developmental anomalies. These are a diverse group of deformities in the growth of the head and facial bones. Anomaly is a medical term meaning irregularity or different from normal. These abnormalities are congenital, present at birth, and have numerous variations. There is no single factor that causes these abnormalities. Instead, there are many factors that may contribute to their development, including mutation in genes, environmental factors, and nutritional deficiency. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.